Welcome guys back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing this cleaning game. So I've already started it and I finished this side because doing this side would just be boring, and then I just made it to the new level, and then there's going to be parts on this, and then this is why. I need to clean up all of this with this a spray gun, whatever you call it, okay? And then basically what you have to do, this is also by another famous YouTuber. So first what you need to do is just fill this up. And yeah, once you've done that, this little bar will be filled up. And then basically if you see dirt like that, you can just spray it. And basically you just get like it being done, and even if you leave the game, guys, it'll save, so don't worry about like you leaving the game and then like you worried about it not saving. It'll save. So yeah guys, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay guys, sorry for that. If you heard that, I'm sorry, but let's just keep on cleaning. And yeah, that's basically all you really do in the game, but they added a new jewelry store. So basically what you can do is go over there, and then once you've cleaned all of this up, it just unlocks that level for you. So you need to clean up all this, or you can buy it with Robux. But let's go to store and double tank. Yeah, I'll buy that. Okay, now what I can do is this. It'll just clean it up. So. And this is like just a fun little game that lots of people are playing now. I don't know why, but I guess it's just there's a bunch of simulators that are kind of like this, but like it's not like this popular. Like we literally have like YouTubers with 5 million subscribers or stuff like that playing this game. That's how good it is. So yeah. And remember guys, this is only part 1, so if you want a part 2, either like the video, and yeah. And don't worry guys, I'll make it, the stuff just gets crazier and crazier as you go on, and I can't see past that one so far, which I wish I could. So yeah guys, once I'm done with the fountain, I'll probably just end the video there, and then I'll make like a part 2 either today, tomorrow, or a different type of day. Once I finish doing the bottom of all the fountain stuff. So yeah guys, if you want more parts on this, remember to like and subscribe, just in case. And if you've already subscribed, like. And if you've already liked, then you are a pro. So yeah. So I'm almost done with the fountain. That's how crazy it is. It's so hard to get so much of this. And look, I don't get it how you go closer. And by the way guys, I'm an axolotl. Just in case if you're wondering why I look like this, I like axolotls now from Minecraft. Yes, I play Minecraft, and yes, I will play Minecraft on this channel. So I'm just getting ready for it. Okay, so it'll come soon. Let's get ready for me to be playing some Minecraft. And yes, guys, I will still be playing like other games like Roblox. I'll still be playing that for sure. Like this. This is in Roblox, by the way, if you don't know what this game is in. It's in Roblox. And then this game is also called Cleaning Simulator. And yeah, I'm almost done with the fountain already. I'm so surprised for myself. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, okay, I just bought the pressure pistol. I have no idea what that does. But okay. No idea what this thing does. Look at that guy here. Is that a type of... That's weird. I don't know if that's even a type of water thing. Oh, look, he even has... Wait, you have... Wait, what? You can now get the... Wait, does this guy... He might... This is the goggles from the... Wait a second. I never knew that update came out because Roblox has a new Nerf update. I didn't know that ever came out, guys. Yay. And yes, guys, I just finished the fountain, so yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Oh, hold on. I just need to do this. And then, yeah, guys, so once I'm done with this, hold on. Alright, guys, I'm back. So yeah. And now I'm actually done with the fountain, so remember to like and subscribe. Remember, stay a gamer.